1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 subscribers, guys. That is the milestone we hit on March 2nd, 2024. Guys, that number is absolutely insane to me. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but if you look at my channel now, it just says 1K. Like, it just says a K now. That is so insane for me to see, guys, because I've been seeing just 3 digits for like the past 3 or 4 years, guys. I launched this channel July 8th of 2020. So we've been doing this for almost 4 years, guys, which is crazy to me. And you guys have helped me come reach this incredible milestone, guys. This is absolutely insane to me. I still can't wrap my head around it that we were able to reach this type of a milestone. Guys, when I started this channel out, I did not know anything about cars. All I knew about them was that I really, really wanted to get into rebuilding them because I just have so much fun working with cars. When we got our first cars, guys, I didn't even know how to change our radiator hose out, guys. We had to hire someone else to do it. And now we're able to change out a lot more crazy things. We got a whole engine just sitting right there on the ground, guys. And you've been along with me on this whole journey, watching me learn how to do this. I've never claimed to be a mechanic. I don't really know how mechanics even do the things that they do. I just got here from just working on cars and learning as I go. That's all we've been doing. We're just learning as we go. And we've gone pretty far in it, guys. But guys, thank you so much for watching the videos, for subscribing, for liking, for commenting. Even all the haters out there that are commenting some pretty foul things. I love all you guys. So guys, thank you so much for all the support, for all the love, for watching these videos over the years. I'm really glad that you guys like them. What are we at right now? 1,009, guys. So we're at 1,009 subscribers now. We're growing pretty quickly, I'd say. It took 4 years to get to 1,000, but I don't think it's going to take that long to get even bigger now, guys. I'm pretty happy. I'm so stoked. I still can't believe it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching the videos and enjoying it. I'm honestly at a loss for words. Nehan, is there anything you want to say? Guys.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Guys, thank you so much. I don't know if you remember, but when we first got the 2021 Camaro, which that video was posted maybe like 2-3 years ago now, he helped us do all the wiring on it. This is my brother Nehan. He helped us with all the wiring on that car. Guys, that car runs great. We still have it. It runs amazing. No problems at all on it.
I love everyone, even the haters.
We love the haters too, guys. But guys, we've been building cars even before we got on YouTube. I think we've done maybe 2 or 3 car rebuilds before I launched the YouTube channel. I launched it pretty quickly once we started building cars. And I'm glad I did, guys, because this is a lot of fun and I'm glad that you guys like it. This rebuilding cars and doing YouTube, guys, that's essentially my dream. I really don't put my time into anything else rather than this, guys. I've put probably countless of hours, probably thousands of hours just into editing these videos alone, and then making the videos and filming and building the cars. That's so much more work too. This is like probably like 2 or 3 jobs in one, because I have to film it, edit it, rebuild the cars, and yeah, there's so much to it. And then obviously you have to like arrange everything and call a bunch of people and do stuff. It's a lot of work, and I'm really glad that you guys are loving it, because I'm loving it, guys, and it's really fun for me. I don't even see it as work. I know little me would be proud. This 1,000 subscriber dream didn't stay a dream, guys. We turned it into a reality. What I like to say is you gotta believe to achieve. So we achieved, guys. So anyways, guys, thank you. Thank you so much, guys, from the bottom of my heart. This means so much to me. And all these years on YouTube, guys, we haven't even been monetized. I've been doing this all out of just the purity of my heart. This is just really fun for me, guys. Some people say if there's something that you really want to do in your life, you have to see if you'll be wanting to do it, even if you're doing it for free. And I've been doing this for the past 4 years for essentially free, guys. I made $0 off of YouTube, but I've been essentially doing all this for free, guys. And I love every bit of it. So anyways, guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. The 2 main messages I'm trying to give off here is, first of all, thank you guys so much for supporting me over the years and just watching us do all this amazing stuff. This journey is 1,000 times better with you guys along with me on it. I have like a flame inside me that's burning so bright, and you guys and your positive comments and everything that you guys do to support the channel is like fuel to that flame inside me, guys. So it's amazing. And guys, if there's something anything in life, it doesn't matter what it is, if there's anything in life that you really want to do, something that is like your dream, just never give up on it. Even if you see no progression, even if you've been doing it for a long time, just keep doing it, and eventually you'll get there. If you really want it that bad, guys, I promise you, you will get there. This is absolutely insane. We got 1,000 here, but there's many more to go. I think we have like 124 videos on the channel right now, guys, and here's to 124 more, guys. So I'm really, really excited for what the future holds, guys. But thank you all so much for watching all the videos over the years and for watching this one. Like and subscribe and follow the Instagram account if you guys aren't already. I'll link that down below. There we have sneak peeks and previews. But that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.